Chama cha mawakili nchini tawi la Gusii kimekashifu mauaji ya kiholela yanayoendelea katika eneo pana la Gusii. Wakizungumza na wanahabari nje ya mahakama ya Gusii, naibu katibu Agr Bunde amewataka polisi kushughulikia visa hivi kwa haraka ili kuokoa maisha.
We are here today to condemn the incident. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Agr Bunde, Deputy Organizing Secretary, Law Society of Kenya Southwest Branch. We are here today to condemn the recent incident that has been taking place in Gusii County and Nyamira. It is a constitutional right for an individual to have the right to live. It's not only against the Constitution, it's also against the teaching in the Bible that you should not murder. But in the recent past, we've had a family losing 2 children. That has been reported in Gusii County. We as a society, we condemn and we also call upon the police, whenever these issues are reported, they should act immediately. They shouldn't wait, because some situations we can save when we act promptly. So we ask the police to respond to the need of the people in the ground. We also encourage the Nyumba Kumi members or the initiative that was started to work together with the police officers. Whenever they get a clue of any plan or an incident that has been reported in their area, they should report to the nearest police station.
Bunde ameongeza kwamba wanashughulikia kisa cha baby Junior Sagini na watahakikisha kwamba hatua kali zitachukuliwa dhidi ya wahusika waliosababisha mwana yule kutoona.
Because some of the incidents, as they were reported, you could get that some people had mental issues. Here is where we can work together as a society to counsel our members and also have time with them whenever they are in need. There are several things that have happened. You all know that baby Sagini was also attacked. We as the society, we are already representing the victim family. We as the branch, we are already representing the victim family. We'll ensure that the justice is seen and the justice is seen to be done, and also the justice will be served against the perpetrators who did the said offenses.
Wamewataka Wakenya kuishi pamoja kwa umoja na kuwa miongoni mwa wale wanaopiga ripoti kuhusu kisa chochote cha mauaji na vile kuwa mashahidi katika kesi yoyote wanayoshuhudia. Kumbuka kwamba kisa cha hivi punde ni kisa cha kijana mmoja ambaye ameuawa na babake katika kijiji cha Igonga, Bonchari, County ya Gusii.
I want to pass a message to the members of our community. Let's be vigilant. These acts are happening within our neighborhoods. They are happening to our neighbors and our relatives. We must be vigilant. Let us be friends with the police. Let us report acts which we think are criminal in nature. Let us report them to the police with immediate effect and have them followed up to the letter. Anybody who is a witness to such matters, we pray that they forward themselves to the DCI and give evidence and come to court to assist the perpetrators be brought to book and the victims to get justice.
Masi Ontita, Agr News.